I truly hope that the generations to come, my grandchildren and those that come after, remember their heritage, remember where they came from, what they've been through as a group, as a people, from the days of Moses to the present day, that everything that they've gone through and whatever, and don't give up. I know there's the mixed marriages are 50% the wrong way or right way, I guess, depending on your point of view. But Judaism is more than a religion. It's much more. It's a culture, and it's a culture that has to be maintained forever. And I think as long as there are good people in the world, it will be. And if Judaism dies, the world may not be far behind. And I hope kids realize that.